Hello respectable audience, it's 7 minus 7 times 7 minus 7. Remember that 0 answer is incorrect. 7 minus 7 is 0. 7 minus 7 is 0. 0 times 0 we will get 0. But here I have mentioned that 0 is not correct answer. So if 0 is not correct, then what will be the correct answer? Let us solve it again. We have to apply Pemdas, parenthesis, exponent, multiplication and division, addition and subtraction to handle this question. Parenthesis mean bracket, this one, but here we don't have bracket. Exponent is power, we don't have any square or cube. Multiplication is there, yes, this is multiplication. So 7 minus, it will become 49 and it is minus 7. 7 minus 49 we will get minus 42, it is minus 7. So finally we will get minus 49. That will be our answer. Thank you.